some more white. I got you.
Can you puff me up, please?
I'm gonna puff you up.
He's trying to slip us up, isn't he? So I love working with a stylist because, like I said, I cannot draw perfect circles. So being able to accomplish that a bit with a stylist is always extremely helpful.
Do you have like a little trick that you always do to make sure that the dots are perfect or that they're as circular as possible?
Well, I had to learn the hard way over time when I first started using a stylist about not obviously touching it down to that base color.
Have you ever had where you get the little donuts?
Yeah.
And
I don't want...
We're gonna make a kind of a reverse tuxedo.
Ooh. That used to be a nail that I used to do back in the 80s.
It reminds me of
90s.
a ruffian nail I did at my very first fashion week. It was like this little backwards, actually, this is a backwards penguin. How's that?
I like it.
Happy feet. Do you like happy feet? Feet, feet, feet. Boogie Wonderland. Where's? I'm gonna do that again and you're gonna harmonize. Prepare in your head mentally. It's gonna happen.
For singing Boogie Wonderland?
Boogie Wonderland. Do the lead, I'll do the harmony. Boogie Wonderland. There we go. We could be the Pointer Sisters.
Yes, we could.
For cream puff. Jump in! Normally when they get excited, I get excited and it's very...
Excitable?
Yeah, it wasn't happening that day. Oh, look it. I think that one's very cute.
I think so too. We are so behind on this.
No one's gonna die. They'll be fine.
Breaking the rules?
I don't care. I'm the rule breaker. My name is Heather No. Have you not heard anybody say that to you before?
No.
I get told that all the time. My name is Heather No.
I don't want to say I'm Heather, Vanessa Yes.
I don't think you ever want to say Vanessa Yes. Well, maybe.
Yeah, you know.
I guess it depends on what you're doing. Do you want to be a yes man or a rebel?
Oh, I'm a rebel.
I'm a rebel.
Without a cause.
I'm always a rebel.
All right, so we've both, you have one more shot at this now.
No, I don't. I have top coat.
Oh.
This is it. This is done. This is hot though.
Well, I think it's pretty
This is
fun.
hot. You and I have both done magazine and photo shoot work. This is totally a magazine-worthy nail. I think that one's hot. This is my favorite today so far.
It's a little domino-like, huh?
It's totally, but it's like cool dominoes.
Yes, I like.
This is what dominoes want to be when they grow up. That's with Jan. We're still here. She'll be going, Heather, no, you make her be good. Keep them out the window.
All right,
It's
and
you
with
be
that,
cured. They look cool.
I think we did it. I think we rocked the C&D Shellac Luxe Loft Challenge.